Hey guys, are you a new trader or you are interested in trading Forex and you are finding it difficult to verify your broker? In this video, I'm going to show you the best broker you can actually use. I've been using this broker, it's really working perfectly well for me. And the most amazing part of this broker is this, you can easily verify your broker. This particular one I'm talking about, you can easily verify, you can deposit money, you can withdraw money, and the fees are very, very zero. They don't charge anything for you to deposit or withdraw your money. And you know very well you can use your local bank and you can use what your Ethereum, that's BTC wallet, to actually fund this wallet and start trading ASAP, guys, in 2025. So follow me from very start to the end of this video. So I show you how you can actually verify, or the best broker that I'm using you can equally use for your trading in 2025. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop your comment on what you think about this video, and please let's dive into the full tutorial video. So first thing you need to do is just to go to your Chrome browser. Then once to your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is just come to your Chrome browser and search for what? FBS. So once you come here, search for FBS. That's FBS. Can you see FBS broker? So let's assume that you are just new to this place. Once you search for FBS broker, you can actually install this application. It is available on Play Store. Do you understand? Okay, but let me click on it. I've not installed it though. I'm using the website. Do you understand? But if you want to install it, this is how it goes. So here, just click on this link that is here. I just want to show you guys how you can verify this account and start using it to trade. And you can use it on MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. Like, to me, I think this is the best broker so far for any forex trader to use. So once you open your broker, this is how it will look like. Do you understand? The next thing you need to do as a beginner, you need to click this register. Do you understand? You click on this register. So once you click on this register, this will pop up. Do you understand? Then first thing you need do is what? Is to put in your email and your full name. Do you understand? As you can see, I have an account with this already. Do you understand? But let me just show you guys how you can actually do this. Let me use a different email this time around because I want to create a new one. Do you understand? So I'm using this. Then put in your full name. This is my full name. Do you understand? Then you hit on register a trader. So once you click on register a trader, let's see, the next place is taking us to, guys. And don't forget, if at this point if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'm begging you do well to subscribe to this channel. For what I bring on the table of my channel is what I've done, what I've tasted, and it's working for me. Do you understand? So as you can see, I have an account with this. I just want to show you guys, the futures of this stuff. Okay, do you know what will happen? Let me first log into my account. Then I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Do you understand? So I think sorry, I have to click on login, doing the mistake. So this is me logging into this account now. So I'm logging into my account, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, now so as you can see, my dashboard is actually opening, guys. Now look at what I'm saying here. If you want to open a real account, guys, this is real and this is demo. So you have to choose from the two. Let's assume that you are new on forex trading and you want to master how the market is. You can actually select a demo account, create a demo account, select the amount of money you want, and then you can start trading a demo account. To me, I call it a fake account, but since you want it, you have to click on real, because that's what I'll be walking you guys on how to do. So this is my real account. Then let me just go off here and show you something. So this is my real account. Now you know too well that if you did not verify your account, you will not be able to deposit money. Can you see? So what this stuff simply means is this: I have verified my account and I can deposit money here. So let me prove to you guys that yes, I can actually deposit money. So I have to click on that place, then come to this place that says what? Finance. This is where I'm to prove to you guys that yes, I can withdraw. Sorry, I can pay in and I can withdraw. So once I click on that finance, let's see. So now once I click on finance, this is where it will bring me to. Now if I should click on deposit automatically, can you see? All this stuff are available now. All this bank stuff are available because I have verified this account. Do you see that? Good. Now, and these are the options you can actually deposit in with. You can deposit using your USDT, that's Tron wallet, and you can see the minimum you can actually deposit is just $1, from $1 upward. Then you can use your local bank account to deposit here, and the minimum you can actually deposit is from 1,300 upward. Now if you should look here, the maximum time it takes is 15 to 20 minutes. That's if you are using USDT. Both USDT and local bank of Nigeria, their maximum time is 15 to 20 minutes, and automatically it's going to reflect on your dashboard. Now what that sweet me the most is this, guys. Verifying this account is not actually difficult. Once you have a BVN and the name on your BVN is the same name you use to create this account, automatically within seconds your trading account will be verified and you can be able to deposit money and do what, and start trading. You can deposit and you can withdraw. As you can see, that's what I showed you guys here. So let me go to finance again and show you. Can you see, you can deposit, you can withdraw, and you can transfer your money. Do you understand? So coming to your deposit side too, let's see the options we have here. Now looking at this place, you can use your local bank, you can use your crypto, then you can use your electronic payment, then you can use your bank card. That's if you want to withdraw your funds. And now as you can see, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. Then if there is any delay, it will take the maximum of 7 days. That's roughly a week. And the minimum you can actually withdraw is 1,200 to what, to 2 million naira, guys. This is amazing. Then if you are using your BTC wallet stuff like Tron or Ethereum, it takes, the minimum you can withdraw is from $20 upward. Do you understand? And it takes 15 to 20 minutes again for it to reflect to your wallet. So can't you see this is amazing? And why are you still wasting time, doing things with another broker that is not even trustworthy? Believe me, you will definitely thank me later if you should start using this FBS broker. It's the best to trade with. Honestly, it's the best. I've been using it and it's working perfectly for me, and I believe that it will serve you too good and okay. Thank you, and please don't forget to let me know in the comment section if this video is actually very helpful, and check the comment section to get the appropriate link for this particular broker. Thanks and bye bye for now.